Hey everyone, I'm Tom, this is Joy.
Hello.
And welcome to the Volvo Group Australia headquarters here in Wacol, Queensland, just to the southwest of Brisbane. This is Australia's largest vehicle manufacturing plant, bar none. I'm very excited to bring you on a tour today of their facility, so let's go check it out. All right, so here we are at 5 to 9 here at the Volvo headquarters for a safety briefing to start with. Okay, so we've had our safety briefing, We're dressed for the part, Got our steel cap boots on.
So Volvo has actually been making Australian-made trucks since the 1970s. This production facility that we're on here has been here since the 1970s, which is incredible.
1972 to be exact. They've made over 84,000 trucks on this site. This is one of Australia's best kept secrets, honestly.
Including these Mack trucks.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's
so
right.
Two brands, Volvo and Mack.
Exactly. And just to give you some stats actually, over 800 employees on this site from 20 different nationalities. And each employee on average has served for more than 6 years, which is actually really impressive.
So clearly a nice place to work.
Yeah.
Yep.
And they've been Australian made, so to speak, with the certification and so on, since 2017. So yes, vehicle production is well and truly alive here in Australia still. Okay, so here's one of the electric trucks here in the foyer. And Volvo has been bringing electric trucks to Australia since 2021. So we're about to see some of these on the factory tour, hopefully. And we'll talk about them a bit more as we go along. As I said, proudly banned Australia. So here we are, arriving at the factory. It's a lot of trucks. Okay, so on the day of the factory tour, there weren't actually any electric trucks being made or assembled on the floor. However, Volvo have kindly given us some B-roll footage of their trucks being assembled.
But what we did get to see on the day was get quite up close, honestly, to seeing, the men and women actually doing a lot of really delicate, precise work, and it's all super organised.
Okay, so we have electric ones here. This white one, and then the Linfox one here. Okay, it looks like the Prime Minister has arrived. Let's see, he's probably on the other side of this car. There he is, Mr. Albanese. Okay, so the Prime Minister is in there right now doing a factory tour. You can see there the two trucks ahead of us there, the red Linfox truck, 100% electric, of course. And then there's a white one behind it, you can probably just see it there, which is a generic Volvo, still electric. And we'll check them out very shortly, of course, in more detail. Okay, so obviously all the cameras are where the Prime Minister is standing now. He's probably going to jump into the white truck and have a little look inside. Okay, now he's probably going to climb into the Linfox one, maybe. He's down from the Linfox truck, Linfox cab, taking more photos. Oh, this is so awesome. This is a great shot. All the Australian-made trucks here. It's fantastic. Look at this, all lined up for the press conference. Wow, this would be amazing. Certainly makes you a proud Australian seeing this. Proudly Australian-made.
And look at that. Electric for days.
Yep, all electric.
100% electric.
Fabulous.
I'm talking about the fact that right here we make trucks in Queensland, the electric truck, the first of its kind to be manufactured right here, Australian made. And it's because they create good, secure jobs from people in my local community.
Fantastic to be here in Brisbane, and particularly in this Western Corridor, which is a centre of manufacturing. Right behind me, this is what a future made in Australia looks like. It's real, it's happening. 85,000 trucks built here at this facility, but importantly as well, blending the past with the future by building fully electric trucks right here at this facility.
There's a great photo up there for the Prime Minister in front of the Australian-made trucks. All the big wigs there together. So quiet, right? These trucks. Amazing. I haven't altered the audio. It's exactly what it's like. Very quiet. Okay, now the press conference is over. The Prime Minister is gone. Let's have a quick walk around of the FM model of these trucks.
Yep.
Look at that, FM. And obviously
You
the
can
best thing
see-
about it,
Yes, proudly Australian made. So they will eventually have a badge on them.
100% electric. Have a look down here to start with, 100% electric. It's great. 540 kilowatt hour battery packs all throughout the vehicle. There are 6 modules, can DC charge at 250 kilowatts. They've told us, of course, this will improve as time goes on. 300 kilometers of range approximately, 50-ton towing capacity, 3 electric motors. The batteries are from Samsung, they are NCA. And this is essentially the same truck as the one produced in Sweden, but obviously with a few modifications for that Australian-made badge, which you've seen already. Okay, so I'll jump up on the driver's side, 3 points of contact to climb up. Yeah, I'm in the driver's seat. It's cool. Check out this bit here, sleeping area. Very important. Is there a blind? Yeah, it's a blind. Nice. And this seat too, by the way, I just realised it's hydraulic, so.
Yep. I noticed
down.
that as soon as I
Yeah.
sat on mine. Yeah, you want to be ultra comfortable
Absolutely.
when you're doing long distance driving for sure.
I mean, there's so many things in this cab that obviously, we're not truckers, so we can just talk what we see. So storage, there's a grip up there which I won't pull.
Lots and lots of.
Yeah, more storage. Yep. Storage up here. Storage through there.
I love the wheel because it's obviously we're used to a wheel that faces us, isn't it?
Yes.
But this has got like
Yes.
the big
looking
wheel
down.
that's almost horizontal.
Yep. Yeah, it's absolutely incredible that this whole thing is electric. It's so cool. The instrument panel here on this side, radio, usual things you'd find in a car, but just obviously more specific.
I'm so far away from you.
Oh,
Look at that.
Touching.
You can have space for 3 cup holders.
I mean, you'd want to stay alert, right?
Yes.
And
Look, there's 12 volt and 24 volt.
Look at the fob. That's massive.
Yeah, it's huge.
Is that a storage in there? Oh yeah, you'd want storage. A little drink holder here too. Wow. Check this out. On the driver's side and on the passenger side is this is how you go up and down. That's really cool. All right, Joy's going to jump in.
3 points of contact.
3 points of contact.
A little bit
Hang on to
bigger,
the
only
door
because I've
there.
got it my.
Yep. It's a big climb up. Nice. How's it feel up there?
It's nice. I'm going to make myself at home, I think. I can put my bag here. I never thought I'd see the day that I would be holding the steering wheel of a Volvo truck that's 100% electric. That's a lot of
And made in Australia.
Yes, that's a lot of
Firsts.
bingo boxes that are being ticked, isn't it?
Yeah. Who would have thought, huh? There you go.
Yeah.
Savour the moment.
It's pretty cool.
Pretty
It's
cool.
very cool.
All right, here comes the Linfox electric truck. They're going to park that in front of all these trucks to do their media shots, I guess. Just amazing how quiet it is, isn't it? It's amazing. Great livery. Ooh, it's coming towards me. All right, stopped. Oh, it's backing up. Wow. Looks like that's what they wanted. Eerily quiet. Yep, I think that's the money shot for them. So, Tim, our channel's about electric cars. We know how cool they are. Our audience loves it too. But, obviously, trucks are what's powering Australia at the moment. So, what's so important about today?
Today, we're trying to explain to people that electric trucks are cool as well. But today we're building the having the milestone of building the first electric Volvos here in Australia, the first electric heavy vehicles built in Australia, certified Australian made. Our pilot program of 10 to do series production in the next 18 months.
Yep. And I'm sure, the trucking industry asks the same questions as the passenger industry, like, range, charging, all that stuff. Is that what people ask about trucks as well?
It's mostly the range and how to utilise them, get the most out of them. It's a bit of a change to their operations, but we try and make it as seamless as possible, analyse their routes, make sure it's fit for purpose. It is horses for courses, making sure that the propulsion system matches the operations, and without Trucks Australia stops, we can't have the truck stopping.
Absolutely.
I see these on the road all the time, but where are they going? What are they actually doing?
Primarily, they're being utilised in that metro area, that delivery area, where the range and their capabilities make the most sense, giving benefits to highly populated areas where it's quieter, less emissions, less vibrations to the drivers, doing the job that trucks do today, just with an electric vehicle.
Our audience loves numbers. We want everything, the specs, range, charging, all that stuff. Tell us.
One of my favourite topics. So what do we got here? We got 540 kilowatt hours of batteries, 6 of them, so 90 times 6 batteries. Currently we're up to 250 kilowatts of charging. We hold that pretty flat, so we work with a lot of charging manufacturers to fully test their equipment, push it to the limits. As we sit here today, this one's plated at 50 tonnes, total gross combination mass, so total weight. We have got a few applications above and beyond that, where, as we always do with Australia with trucks, we push the boundaries. We need to get the more out of them. So we're doing the electric trucks as well.
Okay. And the big elephant in the room, Australia still loves diesel. Where does the electric side fit into the picture for trucking?
As I said earlier, it's horses for courses, picking the right product for the right job. We have some very unique applications, some of the toughest trucking applications and operations in the world here in Australia. So we've highly invested in the diesel engine. That's still happening, that'll still in the future. But more and more we're going to see what the electrics can do as they grow, as they mature, as the technology gets better, covering off more and more of the freight task. Obviously we have other political and global implications that are pushing us towards electrification as well.
Okay, so just finding the right tool for the right purpose, basically.
Exactly. So it's about ensuring that we have a seamlessness of change and transition. We don't want to, these aren't show ponies, they're workhorses. We want to get the most out of it. We want to see this transition build in a sustainable way. And as we do that, we do it in a methodical way, getting the most out of them, proving the case, ensuring we have a future in this space.
Well, Tim, thanks very much for your time, and once again, congratulations to you and the Volvo Group for producing Australia's very first Australian-made 100% electric truck.
Thank you very much. We're very proud.
Thank you. It's just a nice comparison to all the diesel trucks that have been passing by. The electric one is just so quiet. Okay, well that ends today's festivities here at Volvo Group here in Brisbane. Did you have a nice time?
I did. I had a fantastic time.
Yeah, me too. I
Yeah.
had a great time. Yeah. It's great to see, honestly, I can't say this enough, 100% electric truck made
in Australia.
here in Brisbane, Australia,
Yeah.
with the Australian-made sticker on it. I mean, that's patriotism right there. Fills me with great joy and warmth, honestly. So
Yeah. And like for me, it was getting to go through the factory and just seeing, all the men and women there working, taking pride in, being part of Australian manufacturing, and not just Australian manufacturing, the future of Australian manufacturing, because electric vehicles are the future of transportation.
Yep. Because when you make stuff here, you create jobs, you create supply lines for extra jobs. It's just, just the gift that keeps on giving.
It's win-win-win.
Yep. Absolutely. Well, once again, thank you to Volvo Group Australia for inviting Joy and myself here to their facility here in Wacol, Queensland. And hopefully we'll get to see more of Volvo Group and Volvo trucks.
Electric trucks.
Electric trucks. How amazing. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Until next time on Ludicrous Feed, happy charging.